तो सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे डॉ जोन्स टुडे यूएस स्टॉक मार्केट हाईलाइट S&P 500 books back-to-back losses as the sale of Bank of America slide after earnings. Dow Jones Nasdaq today US stock market news highlights stock move lower on Wednesday, January 14 for the second day, pulling back further from record levels trader digest a fresh batch of the earnings and monitor geopolitical developments. The S&P 500 dropped 0.5% while the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost about 42 points or around 0.1%. The Nasdaq Composite slipped 1%. Dow Jones Nasdaq today US stock market news highlights stock move lower on Wednesday, January 14 for a second day, pulling back further from record level as traders digest a fresh batch of earnings and monitored geopolitical developments. The S&P 500 dropped 0.5% while the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost about 42 points or around 0.1%. The Nasdaq Composite slipped 1%. Tech biggest down the border market chip stock in particular suffered losses as Broadcom lost 4% and Nvidia and Micron Technology shipped more than 1% each. On Wednesday, Reuters, citing people brief on the matter, reported that Chinese customer authorities have advised customer agents that Nvidia H200 chips are not permitted to enter the country. Thank you for joining your coverage of the US stock market. Dow Jones today US stock market live updates. Oil fall nearly 2% after Trump's signal he could hold off on attacking Iran. Oil price fell more than 2% on Wednesday after President Donald Trump signaled he might not attack Iran. US crude oil fell $1.81 or 2.96% to $59.34 per barrel. Global benchmark Brent was down $1.84 or 2.81% to $63.63 per barrel. Trump told reporters in the Oval Office that we have been told that killing in Iran is stopping. It is the stopping and there is no plan for execution.